All right, this video is about how to calculate correlation based on a table using Desmos.com. So first you're going to go to desmos.com/calculator. That's DESMOS.com/calculator. When you see that, when you click on that URL, you will open up this page. The first thing you're going to do is add, with this plus button, a table. When you add a table, it gives you an X and a Y. You're going to type in your X values in the X column. So our X values, as you can see over here in this table, are 1, 5, 11, 13, and 15. Then you're going to type in the Y coordinates from the table, 99, 110, 111, 113, and 119. You can hit this little magnifying glass that will zoom in on the points that you have plotted, so you can see we're going to have a positive, linear, pretty strong correlation. We're looking for correlation in this video. So we can see the positive trend of the points. They're going up from left to right. So we can say we have a positive correlation, and they look pretty close to a line. So I'm going to say it's going to be a pretty strong positive correlation. I'm expecting a decimal that's between 0.7 and 1, a pretty high positive number. So correlation, the code for that in Desmos is CORR. CORR stands for correlation. And then in parentheses, we have to tell the computer what data set we want it to calculate the correlation. In this case, we look at the top of our table to see what our variables are named, and we want to calculate the correlation between x1, comma, that's what this first guy is, y1. And I didn't do anything special to make those subscripts. I just typed an x and a 1 on my keyboard, and they automatically became subscripts like that. The correlation shows up right here, 0.9204. It gives me a lot of digits on that. I can look over at my multiple choice answers. I know I'm looking for a high positive, so I already knew it was going to be C or D. Now that I've actually calculated using Desmos, I can see that it's going to be 0.92. So I'm going to select that answer. Thank you for watching.